Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Taliza Ndima.
Zuko Ndima is the name. Tamzwibiri, Tamzwaiko, Tamzupela, Zuko, Sisa Loiso, Ikyana, on the run, Ndima.
All right, well, welcome to all the people that you came here with today.
Yeah, no, I thought today it's worth it, episode 90. So let me bring myself and...
this is episode 90.
Yeah, absolutely. 10 before the big honey.
Oh, gosh. We already have people asking us to do things for the honey. And I'm like, oh, gosh.
Really?
I feel like the date comes, we're going to shoot the thing and forget about it.
Clean.
Yeah.
Clean. That's absolutely what's going to happen.
Yeah, someone was like, remember when you guys got dressed up for episode, I don't know what episode that was.
Oh, yes.
Yes, can you guys do something like that? I'm like, as number.
Yo. That would be interesting.
I know, but we'll see. We'll have to do something.
Very traditional.
Anayo. No.
Anayo.
Unayo phone, I saw you wearing it traditional on December.
For the next shirt is traditional 70 rand. Yeah. Foni ndifuneka nokutsho. Yayiva. Into right foni ezando ezifuna 6 pack xa ngumjida ibeyila weqa then ubetha ngogaga ngaphansi. Yeah? Ke funa njimile.
Oh, okay.
Masiyeke le traditional yabo I think.
Okay, if you guys have any ideas ba senze ndoni mhlawumbi different on episode 100, please let us know.
Yeah,
and
no,
then
absolutely.
We'll see what we can actually incorporate into our 100 episode celebration.
100%. Yeah, we'll see. We will see what we can do.
No promise.
Unfortunately not. Otherwise, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fair. Me too. I'm good, thanks, and you?
I went to the gym this morning.
Did you know?
After not wanting to wake up. And then I woke up and I was like, why do I feel like I don't want to wake up? I had a good night's rest. I was in bed by 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Like, I was good. I eventually does bullshit. I literally had to push every part of me leaving the house.
Yep.
Even when I was driving to the gym, I was like, oh,
I don't want to be here.
Dingajika.
So, phumile bedini.
Sendiphile, ngashe amazinyo, sendenze yonke into.
Amadimoni akonenkani, dog.
Then I got to the gym and I parked and I was like, okay, what am I doing today? I was like, I'm going to do back. Then I kind of have to like see myself do the things first, you know?
Is that usual or?
Yes.
Okay.
And then, then I can see my muscles going.
Your back muscles,
Yes.
incredible.
Hey! Funny. Then I just became sadder and sadder and sadder. Then I just started crying. Then I was crying. Then I was like,
Uthini nje mkhala uthethi. Imukhala njani?
it's just tears rolling down my face, man. And I was like,
Wanhlimpinika. Yeah, ndiyayazi ke laa nto nhlimpinika. It starts, your face changes,
Yes.
and then go uqalele yokuqala kakhunda khinde.
Then now I'm like, oh, now I'm crying. Then I'm like, oh, I know what's happening to me now. And then I was just like, okay, I'm just going to cry. Then I'm going to go into the gym, obviously.
Sure.
Yeah, because I mean, this is not going to last forever.
Azinika wacinga zonke ezinye izinto ezizakhalisa. Dibanile, I hope you did that.
I was like,
Get out the way.
my life is so horrible. Why am I gymming every day?
Ubani wathatha imali yami lunch ndimncinci.
And then I had this thought. Then I was like, I'm going to call this friend of mine. Then I'm phone. And then, uthi show my legs. Dithi, hi, njani?
Ngancazela ngo-8 ekuseni.
Uthi, I'm fine. What's wrong? I'm like, I'm sad. Uthi, ngoba? Dithi, because that stranger is visiting again this month.
I take it easy.
Uti, oh, that's good. And I'm like, what do you mean it's good? Uti, no, I thought there was something wrong. I'm like, there is something wrong. Shame, thank you so much. You know who you are for talking me off the ledge, and you didn't have to, and I don't know why I called you. I even said to him, I was like, out of all the people in my life, why did I phone you? He's like, okay. And then he's like, Alex, hamba, you're taking chocolate, you're lala. I was like, that's a great idea. You see, you never know what you need to hear sometimes. And sometimes it's just you need to hear a bad idea. Then I was like, thank you. Then I stopped crying. Then I was like, okay, thank you so much. Sharp. And then got off the phone. And then I was like, and you mean because this is not going to work out. Then I went to the shop. I tell you, eat donuts.
Yeah.
Oh.
American cop.
LAPD.
Donuts. Ezingaphi?
Ezi4.
Okay.
And the thing is with these donuts is that the last time I ate them, I promised myself I'd never eat them again.
Okay.
Right. And they're right by the gym also.
Sure.
And they are the best donuts I've ever had in my life. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I tell you donuts. I parking lot as you tune as Mwamza. Didn't even leave the parking lot. And I was like, ezinye zethu zozitshela endlini.
Hayi bo. Awuzongena Jimin.
Oh! Trim is cancelled. Yeah, Trim is cancelled for the day.
Hectic time.
Then I got home. I started parking lot.
And
zethu. Then I did some of the stuff I needed to do for today's show. Blah, blah, blah. The poster. And then I was feeling better. Then I was like, all right, cool. But I was saying about this stuff is new to me, you know. I didn't grow up feeling this way at all. So it almost feels like it's almost like you can't even talk to another girl about it because of his got and then when.
Yeah, but you should be able to. In my head, I sing like at the same time. Empathy of I know how you feel. Yeah, I know what you're going through. I might not know how you feel. Maybe, but I know what you're going through.
I don't know. I thought about it, then I was like, I feel like such a loser calling another girl Diaz Nana. She has to deal with this thing as well. Like, what makes me special? Are those my cockies?
You're not special, but you're just going through something.
Yeah, but people have been going through this for like 30 years.
Okay, ne? Touch wood. Bujelo. Awuzofonela umntu wakhe wabujela.
I guess. This is a clear example of how crazy it actually is. Because as even
because you rationalize it in your head and 100%. That was fine. But
yeah, exactly.
So let me rather than call someone who's never experienced this, who's got no clue of what it's about.
But you know what he said? He was like, no, I understand. I'm like, how do you understand? No, the thing is, Nati, as a machita, we go through India's and I'm like, how?
Who's that in the show?
So he was like, no, sometimes, you know, I testosteronic jigela. Now everything is a fight, or you wish a nigga would, or and I'm like, oh, that makes sense. Don't disrupt Kalokuchomi. I believed it, and I was like, yes, we're in the same boats. It helped, you know. Anyway, so that was my morning. I'm feeling a little bit better now, though.
Okay.
I know when I saw you earlier, I was like,
I thought you were going to say when you saw me earlier, I started feeling better.
Like this man, I'm parked outside his house. He sent me a live location. We all know what that means.
And you saw the langa.
I was like, oh, this again. Okay. But I'm okay now. How are you?
But now I'm late, 8 minutes late, but now I'm 15 minutes early.
Because I thought you were going to be home.
Yeah. No. I've been sapumile for your lunch.
Oh, Oh.
Into?
Why East Rand for lunch?
Hey, hayi ke ngoku andazi ke ngoku uba ezakho izinto zithethwa ngubani show.
Yeah, okay.
But ezam ndazabathethwa nguwe.
How are you?
I'm good, man.
How's everything going?
Everything's going okay. Yeah, everything's going fine. Ndiphethwe nje yi-car trouble. Hey, bekho imoto benzama uyithengisa. So I was in Cape Town and then I went to go get the car and then imoto ndafika ingastati. Then ke ngoku ndihamba ndothenga ibhetri ayistati. Ndaza nomakheniki, umakheniki uya ndishawuta. But come on, man. These terminals are not even tied here. Why don't you just tie the terminals?
Charlie, what? This is why you're here.
I ain't on number 10. No, spanner.
Also, why do you think I called you?
Dog. Ivan, yeah, beg as a terminals. Yes, beg as a terminals. A petri, but my touch la way grand. But it be touch but anyways, I'll reveal it later in the story. And like beg as a way, clan pin and seat. I started. Yo, hi, I don't know what you're gonna do. Hi, me, I'm going now. I'm on leave. I'm going weekend away. Call me on Monday if you don't come right. Oh, Buddha, it's Friday. How am I calling you on Monday? Hayi but ke kungabi nani ndibuyela kula shop ye-battery ndithe hama sita le battery no kuthiwa foni i-battery right imoto yajika ndithi hayi imoto ayijiki kuthiwa hayi ke foni khawuye ukhona omnye umakhenikhi yabo ndaya kula sendiyochaza loo nto leyo uba so when I turn ke ngoku and it just made me realize uba iyafuneka noba short course yobumakhenikhi
ungabuchaza into ezingekhoyo
or i-brand new car uzawuvela ufowunele enye indoda uthi Buddha kawuze. This guy then he tells me the most complicated thing uthi hey, you know what it might be your starter. Ithi mna okay, but you can check for that because what you need to do you need to get jumper cables, okay? Nazi jumper cables number 1.
Okay.
Because my Uber guy tried to jump me, shame. God bless his soul. So you need to get jumper cables, and then what you do is you clamp it on the starter. Enormous starter. You clamp on the starter, and then the other one you clamp somewhere else. That is a joke on a module. Hi, girl brothers. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, and then.
Nothing.
Because I'm also chock-a-block. I can only see you maybe Monday in the Diohanda on Monday. I can't span. Go back to the petrol shop. Diapela up. Shem, and then that guy he offers to come. Yabo. Nyan kwele pa kuye motweni. Sambe sofika pa kule ndawo starter. Yo kule moto. Asifike motweni. Nyan for now damn zami. Man, I wonder what it could be. Just end up push start imoto. Khala Jebna ibinga saying antembanga. Because he asked me, do you know how to kickstart the car? I said, yeah, come on, Buddha. Okay. Photos around. And then he asked me again. He asked me 3 times. Then he ended up kickstarting the car. You got me?
Why were you asking me?
I was a bit offended. Start the motor crane and then shame. Then he takes me back to the shop and then he tests everything. No. And then eventually he's like, my sister started sakho but organize the start and you think I could think sell start.
You always loose lipper.
Oh man, they were so good. And they don't work in a mechanic shop. They work in just like a regular parts shop. Oh, phone imoto back. Oh, bandenzele. And then away, and I was just like, oh man, oh thank you God. Yalungi car. So now I'm trying to sell it, and then the phone like abantu bathenga imoto.
Baselapha abantu bathenga imoto.
Kaloku zikhona iikhampani ezithenga imoto. Xa imoto yakho ufuna uyithengisa.
Okay.
They should call that company cash converter. And the overration is R4, like a ridiculous amount. Ufuna malini ndabiza. Ndifuna le mali. yathi okay yahamba yocheck ikari buya ngokusithi kusebuda bona la price uyifunayo minus 20,000 ithi hayi buda no ithi okay how much are you willing to settle for ndithi la mali bendithe ndiyayifuna kutheni abantu baseqaba bengandibelieve xa ndithetha izinto believe and kickstart like no one believes me so yeah I'm just still in the process of that and just hoping ngebanza ukwazi ufumana inantsika i-deal right and then let go of that car because ibisenza uber or bolt asanodrayiva bayitshayisa bayenzela into endingazange ndayibona
so wild to me.
Yeah, but I mean it comes with the risk of trying to side hustle, start a business. No, it's all risky.
And awuzuyiqhuba ngokwakho.
And people just don't care, bruh. Umntu uzayenza loo nto leyo and then they just like
see ya.
Yeah. So that's taken up a lot of my time. And yeah, otherwise I'm just the content bus. I'm on a content bus.
I was influenced. Every 5
and you approve my content.
Talita. What?
Siyenzele ndiyenzayo. Yako hectic man phaka content.
Yeah, bro, it's hectic.
I like it though because it also gives me a chance to kind of see things in a different way. You know what I mean? Ngoku ndiyazipicturisha ngokuthi nabo photographer or videographer, and it's also making me a lot more confident, which I think is really, really cool. Yabo. And the stuff that I'm thinking is really, really cool. So please don't be afraid to check my Instagram, check my links in bio, and make sure you get yourself the right stuff.
Of course. I love it for you.
Yeah.
Not so much for myself, but I love it for you.
Hi, Bonjani.
Wafunini ske beninzi la we go why.
Man,
Seloti mate. Okay. Ikhona enye into mhlambi ufuna uyicokola ngayo?
No, ndi right. Nkosi.
Okay, sure. Let's get into the closeness of it all.
Yeah, sure.
The closeness of it all.
Dog. Hey, Eilish Role. Structured. Those watching you for the first time,
don't worry.
Bang, boy.
All right. We got something from 20. I think it's 20 band, but 20 something. Hi guys. Not a rai, but 2 Xhosa words. Number 1, the meaning of the expression undinqamisile, used when someone says something you did not expect or did not know. Meaning to make you give up and not to kiss you. Okay.
Ncamisa, what language is it?
Xhosa. Uncamisile fondini.
Ncamisa. Yes, it's Xhosa. Okay, sure. Okay. IsiZulu. Ucabuza.
That does not sound like a nice thing to do to someone.
Okay, okanye ungiphe ukhiss. Okay.
So
ukuncama is to give up.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ndaqoma ndiyamncama ngoku lo. Uyabo. So therefore undincamisile yeah, but you can't directly translate it.
Because what does undincamisile mean? Claps once. Undincamisile equals to claps once. I like that.
You've essentially pushed me to give up.
Really?
But it's more disbelief.
Yes.
There's absolute I really don't believe this.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, I think that's the closest. You've made me give up. What is so good when you're talking to an English speaking person when they want to say exactly what do they say? Give up.
I can't believe that.
Yeah, I'm beside myself.
Yeah. English is so pop. Oh my gosh. I'm beside myself.
So indonu ke. Essentially, then that becomes the question to you guys.
Yeah.
Undincamisile.
Yeah, say it in English. Say
Yeah.
undincamisile in English.
Use it in a sentence. I think that'll be much
in an
better.
English sentence, yes.
Yeah.
Don't just say the word. Yeah.
Sure. Yakhumsha ki-blings. Watch out.
Yazazi.
Oh, watch out.
Ningaphenduli nonke ke because then i-comment section asizoba nayo ye-bling line yala episode yaqala nje niphendule nezinye. Okay, second word, the meaning of xhanxasholo.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a Xhosa word okanye ligama lasekhaya qha. In a sentence, my mom would say, ningaboshiya kuthe xhanxasholo kaloku phambi kokuba ulalwe. It means ukuthi sa. My youngest sibling Ubuhle reminded me of xhanxasholo this afternoon. Hadn't used it in a word. I've heard that before.
Ewe. Umuntu akakwazi Thaitha ndafika ethe xhanxasholo pha.
Kuthi umntu xa ethe
Ethe sa. Okanye uhleli like in a picture, I don't know. In my head I've got a picture yomntu and lo mntu yithayima endala
yeah.
for some odd reason.
And
amanye amatime ayasebenza yona ihleli like the hey, my mind is playing tricks.
let's go back. Let's go back. Xa la mama isithi ningaboshiya kuthe xhanxasholo. That's messy,
yes,
right?
correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then ufuna wena itime
messy.
nayo xhanxasholo.
We're funny. Awukwazi uhlala ngendlela messy, like I don't know. But it's yeah. But
bazibumbe. Zibumbe.
Phone ihlala ngathi ngumuntu onormal. You understand? Ungagcwala indawo yonke ngathi awunamathambo. Yes, it's giving.
Ukoneko.
Yeah, it's giving all over ngathi awunamathambo, like you're just skin.
Okay, let us know if umuntu uyakwazi uba xhanxasholo as well, guys, or kanye situation sisimo esixhanxasholo qha.
Yes, correct. It's a way that you can leave things. I've got a word that came into my mind. Isiqhiphothi, you know,
I have no idea what that is.
Isiqhiphothi.
Is it a man?
No, man. It's a way of being. I know isiqhiphothi as being usisiqhiphothi uzindevu 10
Oh, okay. So it's a man. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It can be a man
And then
that looks in a particular way.
Ilady liyakwazi uba sisiqhiphothi.
Ewe.
Xa linjani?
Maybe if you've got like hairy arms, no? Isiqhiphothi to me is like a lot of hair.
Hairy. Oh.
Hairy.
Okay. Is that what we're looking for?
I think so. I think so. But it's usually the language in a sense of kuthethwa ngamashita.
Okay. Let us know ke also ba isiqhiphothi yintoni and ba iyakwazi usetyenziswa umuntu wonke na. Umntana uyakwazi uba sisiqhiphothi, umakhulu uyakwazi.
Samoyika lo mntana. No, mntana akakwazi. I'm answering that one right now.
If the child is hairy, uche hairy was.
Have you seen a hairy child? No.
I
The
have.
answer is no.
Kids are hairy, bruh.
No, they're not. But that's why I said because we wanted that. Peer pressure. Na 7 kodwa ufuna inwele phansi kamakwapha. Boss ufunela ntoni nawe?
Uzifuna uba mdala.
Bro!
The biggest trap in the world.
Yeah.
Ufuna uba mdala.
Oh.
Now you look back and you're like, what was I chasing? This is nonsense.
It's not what I signed up for.
No. When ubufuni hair under the arms, ubungafuni responsibilities.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, boring.
Yeah, which just goes to teach us and just goes to show Uba. Sometimes, or a lot of the times, as children, we did not know the full extent of what it is that we wanted. And that has sometimes informed our choices. So what that means now is that you could have made a choice when you were younger, and now that you are old, you are still hell-bent on that choice because you made it when you were younger, but you didn't know the best. So it's a chance also for you to be able to forgive yourself because the person that made the choice
Was not you, yeah. Oh, amen, Cleo, now. Dala ke kusithiwa mawunikwe ipulpit ke
Kudala ndaba mdala.
100% we do hold ourselves to decisions that we made when we didn't know better, which makes no sense at all. You are allowed to change your mind because you do know better. You are allowed to know better, therefore make different choices.
100%.
Yeah.
I agree. I couldn't agree more. And on that note, that was just me trying to introduce the topic.
Oh!
And the topic today is, let's play a game.
Yes, it's game time.
Let's absolutely play a game. One of my favorite shows. Let's play a game because I always get to kind of understand you a little bit better. So come with us, guys, as we are going to go on a date. No, my legs. Or eat donuts be 4 at a time. What are these, like jam donuts?
No,
chocolate sprinkles.
No, just
something simple.
Yeah.
Those are the best.
Oh, right.
Bro, me and confectionaries, bro.
Dude, you've never tasted donuts like this before in your
Really?
life. I promise you, they melt in your mouth. There's no need for teeth.
Please plug me, bro. Put me on.
So because I'm going to see you tomorrow.
I can't wait. I can't. It's a beginning in Lali. Cool. So let's play a game. And what we usually do and what we are going to do now is we'll ask each other to choose between two things, right? It can either be two scenarios or two things, right? That you will most probably never experience having to choose between them. So it's kind of like a fantasy game. But it definitely gets us to know a little bit more in terms of how the other one thinks.
How we think, yeah.
Yeah. So I think we're going to go straight into it. I've decided to have a couple of subcategories. So just to start things off, weird and wonderful is the first category. What would you rather do? Would you rather time travel for a day or switch bodies with me for a day? Ingayifuni ukuphangela. Ndikubhaqile wena ufuna uphangela.
Wait.
Khalida.
No, that's boring. Ndithini ndiqwabitha for 21 kilometers. You know what? Actually, there's a part of me that's like, I wish I could run with you. Like, nobody 5K or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I wish we could share that somehow.
I mean...
No.
Then you don't wish. I wish.
No. I don't have it in me anymore. And I'd really like to know what it's like to be in a body that's running for like 42 kilometers. I think that's wild. It's something that I'll never experience, and therefore I'm curious about it. Not curious enough to start training for it.
Sure.
But just curious, but I want to vakala njani emzimbeni, but I'm time traveling.
Sure. This morning we went on a run, and this morning, let's pick up to the guy's house where we started. I'm just like, Chance, kubuhlungu somewhere, but I don't know where. I don't know if like kungaphakathi is emotionally or it's in my head or it's in my body, but
something is so.
Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I think more than anything else, the feeling that was over that was a feeling of feeling good, of like, yes. I mean, at the same...
Iphele nini la feeling yoba kubuhlungu?
As soon as I stopped.
So you carried it the whole time?
No, it was just the last kilometer because we also decided to like run super fast. So, so that was weird. But now ndiyazi bakubanzani uba semzimbeni umuntu obaleka because ube ndingekho I'm out of body experience.
What are you choosing?
I'm choosing switching bodies with you.
Why?
I think I would so much like to experience life. Maybe not so much as you, but as a woman.
Every week. We literally take you off this woman ledge. You want to keep jumping off of. Ah! Why, dog? I just told you about my existential crisis this morning.
Context.
Ay, mandanga lando, dog.
It's fine, Nangam, but it will provide context to a lot of things.
Oh, okay. To understand things
Eh,
better.
yeah,
Uyiva ba, yo, I understand.
yeah,
ba,
actually. You understand?
Okay.
And also because no man in teddies in the bandwin bar, and then when I was seeing a man's in the oil. Like, what does that look like?
Oh, that's annoying. Being a woman is so annoying because we can't have a
no,
booty.
man.
Oh, abaputi umntu akujonga aqonda uba ya fro yam aqonda uba excuse me, but then you also know how it feels like when I have a sugar low and when I have brain fog from that. It sounds horrible.
Dog, it's like the way you are quite explaining for ibangati battery yakho iyaphela, and I'm just like, I wonder what that feels like. Just uba nguwe,
Oh, okay.
so that the guy can understand some of the crazy things that
Not the crazy thing. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I definitely time travel for a day. And just one day, I don't know to where.
also was set and on your address.
Yeah, I know.
400
Which day?
BC.
Am I going forward?
Says Dusty.
No!
Without Dusty including batata.
Kweli esile.
Why is it so funny?
Because no one ever uses it. No one says it esile. You only hear that in the Bible. And one esile, the one that took Jesus somewhere. I'm definitely not going back. I'm gonna go to the future. Bro.
Really?
Yeah. Funa born buzophelela Trump.
I was born now. Fantastic.
Yeah, I'd go to the future for sure.
Got you. What would you choose? To always be slightly sticky?
Oh,
Or-
no. I'm slightly sticky right now and I hate myself.
Or always have spinach stuck in your teeth?
Oh!
So every time, or let's rather say, yeah, every time maybe you meet different people or interact, you've got spinach stuck in your teeth, but it's not in the same tooth, so you can't even preempt it. Yeah.
I guess we're gonna have to be sticky, isn't it?
Because awunuki.
Yeah, exactly.
And
I jongisi. It's not embarrassing.
Yeah,
Uyaziva
abanye abantu abayazi.
Yaziba wena uncangathi. Ew. That's so gross.
Fair.
You know how hot it's become like all of a Sunday, right? Where like sesivula ifestire, esimotweni sesivula aircon.
Sibaleka bobo stick.
Sibaleka bobo sticky, and we literally have summer 9 months of the year. So sticky siqhelile siyahamba siqhele.
Yeah.
What would you rather do?
I'd rather be sticky as well.
Yeah, no, dude. The thing in your teeth is so embarrassing. Oh no.
But it shouldn't
why must it be
it's a thing.
spinach?
We are ukutya healthy.
It's green.
And everyone knows it's spinach. This is the whole thing.
When I tell ulixeleko.
Yo, and go ngumdo. You look like for a mistake. Oh. Whoa.
I mean, that's what it equals to at some point.
To have something stuck in your teeth because your teeth are shaped in a certain way.
Show me, if you know your teeth are shaped in a certain way, you need to check yourself after you've eaten. Oh?
Awukhulibale wena ezinye izinto. Phuma endlini, ngena phuma endlini axoxanga. Hey man, yaziva sendikude kunekhaya. Bayekuse khange andizikhumbuli khange ndingene. And ndibenqoma.
Now you're tasting everything.
Efondini.
That's so
That was
gross.
so weird.
And then you went about your day ungaxoxanga.
Jisawuthini? Sixoxa njani?
Bathenga i-toothbrush, ayibo.
Sixoxa phi?
A toilet, a garage. Instead of subjecting us to
Awuyava kwenza ntoni ukhubile ufumane i-tissue. Solamaziki. You've never done watering toothbrush?
Ewe.
Okay. Nerolon ke nayilibana ndathenga ispray ke sona.
It's the same thing.
Uqanda belinuka sweet. Woo. Okay, fair. Got you.
What did you say you'd rather do? Be sticky.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, absolutely. Would you rather have a rewind button for your life or a fast forward button that only works once?
Fast forward. What I've done. It's happened. Where are we going? To fix it.
Uyazazi uzophelela phi? Then ufumana ishock horror kule fast forward yakho.
Ethi enjani?
Ongayithandiyo, outcome ongayithandiyo.
Well, then at least I'll know. Would you rather go back?
Absolutely.
That's so unlike you. You're so happy with
I am.
let bygones be bygones.
It's fine kaloku because ayikho i-time machine. Now ikhona i-time machine.
Okay, and then where you going back to for what?
Ndiyobuyela mhlambi wonke nemali zami ezininzi. And I'm using them better. I'm using my cash better.
Wouldn't you rather know the future so that you know how to then, let's say if future is over shaky, then you know how to not make it shaky?
Yeah,
Or how
but you don't know what decision you made. I feel like that would freak me out because every decision that I'm making,
now ucinga la future.
ndicinga ke ngokuba
I
could
want
this
to
be where I look back one day and it all change for me?
Okay.
But also that's assuming, very unlike me, assuming that it would be bad.
This is the thing. You are assuming. that
But
it'll
I
be
feel
bad.
like it would be too much pressure. It would be too much pressure. Good or bad. Because any decision that I'm making now, I'm like, could this be me messing it up? Could this be me? You know what I mean?
But then going back means that you're changing the trajectory of where you are now, right?
Because of Mali.
What's wrong? And so you don't know what that's going to look like.
If ubune Mali wena, une million, una 21, do you think you'd be here? Oh, no. Never mind.
Probably not. If I was a smart 21-year-old, which I definitely was not.
Sure.
Mm.
That's so crazy how literally certain little things, they have an impact on everything else.
Exactly. This is the thing.
About you change one thing.
And it changes everything.
And it changes everything.
Then we don't have a podcast. Then you're not, you know, how you're not a runner. Then you're not, you aren't fulfilled in that way. Then you're like, there's just other things that just that one decision could change and changes in those tandayo about your life right now.
Absolutely, that you might not even have come into contact with. If there was one little thing, you decided to go into that door. You didn't decide to go to that show. What?
It's a tough one, but yeah, I'm definitely going to.
Nah. All right, thanks. Got you. Right, let's move into food. Would you rather eat only cold meals forever or eat everything with a spoon, no matter the dish?
I mean, what could be a terrible thing to eat with a
Steak.
spoon? Oh, with
With a spoon. Come with your spoon and hands.
Why?
With a spoon.
Turning vegetarian. Yeah, I'd rather eat everything with a spoon because some meals cold. As ngumileyo chomi.
Uzityalo.
Huh?
Uzitya.
Kuphakwe yona.
Awuthandi nolusu. Gqibela initya ulusu. Kunini luphakwa.
And I don't mind cold food.
Yeah.
Generally.
Hey, efoni khawume. Microwave sizoba nayo nini. I've got a weird thing in my head.
Yeah.
Ethi i-microwave sizoba nayo
Very late.
very late.
Yes.
And I've got a
I'd
thing
left the house. You'd left the house.
I've got a thing ethi yathengwa ndini.
We take a lot.
And bro, I don't know.
No, we had it very late. We'd both left the house. By the time starting in microwave, sasiqhela uwomisha in the warmer.
Or singawomishi.
Singawomishi.
That's one thing I'll mind. And I'll mind him numbeko ukhuphe nansi ke ukipsela.
Yeah.
At all.
Yeah, same. And iqhelanga into yoshushubeza yonke into. That's something we grew up with.
Uyibethe efonini kuba ukuthi hawu uyiphekile. Uyiphindile.
Khale qotseke pha imani
Uta yasondela.
My grades are so bad. What did you pick?
Oh, cold food. I don't have a problem with cold food. Smell like garlic forever.
No.
Or everything that you eat tastes faintly like soap. It's easy to say no when you haven't had the second thing.
Can I smell myself as garlic, smelling like garlic? Ziv. No, I'd rather smell like. Then where am I gonna get kisses?
Come on. Yaqhela ivumba lomuntu. Noma linjani. Ewe. That's what happens.
Garlic though.
Sencho, yeah, by garlic also. Ndihambe ndichazela abantu engisanda bethi garlic kanje.
Every day. No, I definitely don't want things to slightly taste like soap. Yo, don't beat each other.
And then uduphele bengu Ellie McBeal.
Yeah, I have to choose the garlic. Unfortunately, it's the lesser of the two evils for me.
And now I'm going with garlic.
Yeah, that's
because
so,
at least iqhelekile man. I
don't even like food that much. Like, but still, you know when something tastes soapy, it's off-putting. Yeah,
100%. Here's a weird one. Would you rather have a tail you can't hide, or glow in the dark when you're embarrassed?
Why am I embarrassed in the dark? So if I'm embarrassed during the day, it's fine. I can't glow in the day.
Glow. Let's call it glowing.
Yeah, I'd rather glow.
I'd rather glow.
Yeah,
I'd definitely rather glow.
There's no way. What's the other one? A tail
Yeah.
that you can't hide. Now I'm the only person in the world. I'm an umsila. Tail. No.
Fair.
No.
Would you rather teleport once a month or get a new, slightly inconvenient superpower every week?
Inconvenient? How is it a superpower?
Well, it's a superpower, but it's random. It's a random superpower. So this week, you got your papa. Next week, you got a man.
Now I'm teleporting. Once a month, that's cool. I can go revisit Indao and happy kuzo.
What do you mean?
What?
Like what? Like go to Portugal?
Yes.
But we are being the person that you are, with your clothes and your bank balance, everything's the same.
And I don't have to buy Go visit my Portuguese friends. I'd rather teleport, bro.
So you'd go to places that you've been to before?
Of course, and then places that I want to go to.
Okay.
Yeah. That sounds like a much more fun activity than a random superpower.
I didn't think about that. I was just thinking about the amount of fun that I'd have with the random superpower.
That does sound like fun. But it says inconvenient.
Sure. Yeah.
And that's the part I'm running away from.
Okay. Yeah, 100%. Would you rather be famous for something embarrassing or be forgotten 5 minutes after you leave a room?
Oh, forgotten for sure.
Huh?
I'd rather be forgotten.
5 minutes after you leave a room. Every time you come shoot this podcast, they don't know who you are. Every time you...
I'm a new guest.
Every time you phone your friend, they're like, I'm not in the number. Oh, you didn't have friends.
No one knows me.
Fair.
Oh, that's lonely.
Yes, there we go.
Yeah, then you can't make friendships.
In fact, you can't do anything.
You can't do nothing.
Well, maybe you'd have to start an online business.
Yeah, but socially.
Yeah, socially out.
What's the second option?
Would you rather be famous for something embarrassing?
Just the word famous doesn't sit well with me. Nobody for you don't.
Kanjalo kabantu, umuntu uyaba yinto angayifuni.
Privilege. No, I don't want to be famous for something embarrassing. I don't want to be famous for something amazing
You don't want
either.
to be famous at all.
No.
Yeah.
So what's the other one?
Nancy, be forgotten 5 minutes after you've left the room. 5 minutes as well.
You come back 6 minutes later, they're like,
And then when I...
sorry, this is a private meeting. Forgotten at your own. If you go to the bathroom at your wedding, no one knows who you are.
Chikuta, hey, look at this one outshining the bride. Because you're going bride.
It's me.
No, you wouldn't even get married.
No, because umuntu wakakakwazi. Oh, that's annoying. I picked nothing. What do you pick?
Being famous for something embarrassing.
Why?
Because there's no such thing as bad publicity.
Oh.
When I say something embarrassing, now I'm like, I don't mean something criminal.
No, criminal is not embarrassing.
Hey, well, no choice.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Look at our criminals just hanging out.
Absolutely. So I'd rather be famous for something embarrassing. Because I feel like you can always turn that around. Abantu aba famous for izinto embarrassing. And baqhubekeka life.
True.
Urayitile lo
Okay,
embarrassment.
the being forgotten thing is not okay.
Nah. It's
Yeah.
got so many implications, I think.
Yeah, no.
I think that's the really, really big thing about it.
Yes, we're picking the fame drug.
Okay, and then the last three. What would you choose? Have to swap clothes every day, or to speak only in rhymes when we're together?
Swap clothes with who?
With me.
Every day.
Mbahla zami.
Yeah.
Choose to wear my clothes.
Yeah, I love your
definitely
clothes.
choose to wear your clothes. I would definitely choose to wear. Oh, definitely choose to
Mama,
wear
your
your clothes.
style.
Ayithanda indlela enxiba ngayo mfethu. Ewe. Yani bra, like umuntu okwazi unxiba, always look at them with those eyes. Baweli bra. Hi. Nyani, you put together some price. Leno, it's fine, but do you realize how when I was getting dressed today, I even had to double check with you?
Yeah.
But it's a right combo.
Yeah, but Kangeko, you would have done it. Anyway.
How do I feel? And yazi.
You just
And
taking chances.
before. So I don't experiment at all.
What was the second one?
So it's either to swap clothes every day or to speak in rhymes every time we're together.
I mean, that wouldn't be bad either.
Okay.
This show would be a very different show.
Absolutely.
But swap clothes. I love your clothes.
Yeah.
Oh, sometimes I'm just like, the things I could do with that wardrobe.
Really?
Yes.
That's what we're going to do for the 100th show. We can't do that. Sorry. This is not going to work out for me. No, not at all. Not at all. Would you rather compete in a cooking show blindfolded together? That's with me. Or sing in a duet in front of all your crushes?
That's not embarrassing.
Fantastic. Me too. Me too. Absolutely.
Let's do the duet, bro. And what you gonna do?
Fair. And then the last one. Would you rather share one brain cell during a recording? All right.
Wait. Also, Anna's crushes.
Fair.
Yeah. Okay. Carry on.
All the crushes that you've ever had.
It says what crushes are most, so I don't
You
care.
okay? Oh, fair. Would you rather share one brain cell with me during recordings? So as we're recording the podcast, share one brain cell with me, i.e., we think the same things.
Oh,
we
how
always
boring.
agreeing. It's like sitting with yourself.
Yeah.
Or disagree to a point of arguing.
No.
Every episode.
Never. I would never
Be on
make
opposite
it.
ends.
Yeah.
Oko.
No, dog. Yeah, but yeah, Pela in episode 5. That's the end of the season. We had a good run. 5 episodes was amazing.
Fantastic.
No, dude, we're sharing a brain cell. Yeah, but that's also boring.
Funny, but it's like, yeah, it is boring.
Because uyavumelana koko.
Yeah.
And that's vumelani. Yeah, but not Kabasilwe. But it would make for great content and people would watch. It would make so much money.
Absolutely, because people like that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Or some people like that kind of stuff.
Yeah, a lot more people like that kind of stuff than Sweet Harmony.
Yes. Because I also think you get to learn a little bit. in
We're
that,
from
with the
different,
different perspectives. And you're like, no, maybe not.
Yeah, I guess we're fighting then.
Fair.
How much would you guys pay to watch us fight every week? That was cool. Thank you.
That's it from me. No, I'm boiling.
Yeah, I'm also passing away slightly.
That's the problem.
Welcome back to summer.
Yeah, that's it.
Ayikho into esifuna ubabalisela yona kambe siyilibele. Ayikho. Oh, no. This is from one of the blings. Thank you so much. Hope never disappoints. I had a problem with this one. Hey, I've been having problems with these recently.
Sure.
Because I'm like, when you hope in something and then it doesn't happen, is that then you've disappointment corner?
Yes, but if you still have hope, then it nullifies that disappointment.
Okay, I was having hope that by the end of the year, Nzobendi.
But so I understand.
And then that doesn't happen.
Correct, but then you still have hope. But
Okay, tell me what you understand.
but you still have hope. It's not the end of the world.
Well, okay, because you hope where you we shift is
100%. I think there's a saying it's called Themba libulali. Now
Ukdanisa is disappointment.
Correct. No, correct. So, but but my understanding of this is that the hope, if you always have hope, there's always hope for something else. Noba bangathini when uhleli nje une hope, it doesn't end your world when that thing happens. Disappointment's a bit tricky though, because you can still carry on even though you're disappointed.
True.
So disappointment doesn't speak to the end of the world really, it just speaks to
a
being
temporary
deflated.
setback, yeah.
Yeah, and because sure, girl.
Oh, the person who sent this to us, please tell ucacise.
Jonga. Sicela senze lento in future. Umuntu basenda into makacacise sibekwa. Because thina singabanye halala ebusuku.
So besicingela ne disappointments ze-hope.
So okay, if bangenza kanjalo singayibulela kakhulu lonto leyo.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you guys have missed it, we do have a membership on YouTube. And you guys can join our membership. Kukoi button. If you go to any of our videos, at the bottom of the video, you'll see on the right-hand side, there's a join button. You press that button, you can join our membership where you can get exclusive content, things that not everybody gets to see. We're starting lives as well. And you'll be the first to know about a lot of the things that we come up with.
So
Benzela, but I'm just saying, Sabalisela as well.
Happiness, yeah.
But sinayo membership on YouTube. Feel free to join.
There we go.
Thank you so much for coming. So pina sinmone next week.
You know what it is.
And in the meantime, ningalibali.
Laiti. Ratanang.
Not a ratanang.